Sending Ethereum to your Phantom wallet without understanding how it works is a recipe for disaster. So let's break down why you can't just beam ERC20 Eth straight into your Solana-based Phantom wallet. Phantom Wallet is designed for the Solana blockchain, meaning it primarily handles Solana-based tokens, not ERC20 tokens, which live on the Ethereum network. Think of it like trying to fit a square peg into a round hole. ERC20 is a token standard specific to Ethereum, while Solana uses its own token standards directly. Sending ERC20 to your Phantom wallet is like sending a letter to the wrong address. It won't arrive, and in the crypto world, it means you could lose your funds permanently. To get your ETH onto Solana, you need to bridge it. This involves using a cross-chain bridge like Wormhole or Allbridge. These platforms effectively wrap your ETH into a Solana-compatible version, often referred to as Wormhole or Allbridge. The general process includes connecting your Ethereum wallet, like MetaMask, to the bridge, selecting Eth as the token you want to transfer, choosing Solana as the destination network, and then initiating the transfer. You'll need to pay gas fees on both Ethereum and Solana for the bridging process. After the bridging process, you will find wrapped ETH like Wormhole or Allbridge ETH in your Phantom wallet. Remember, these are not native ETHs. These are Solana-based representations of your ETH.